If you're a coffee lover, you understand that the perfect cup of coffee is not just about the beans, but also the brewing method. Enter the Utopia Kitchen 34-ounce French press coffee maker. Stylish, functional, and affordable option that brings the art of making a great cup of coffee right to your kitchen. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or someone who loves a warm cup of tea, this French press is versatile and designed to meet your need. Why choose Utopia Kitchen French Press? From the first glance, the Utopia Kitchen French Press impresses with its sleek black design and sturdy build. This coffee maker can hold up to 1 liter, 34 ounces of liquid, which translates to about 8 cups of coffee, making it perfect for those lazy Sunday mornings or for when you're entertaining guests. But what makes this French press stand out from others in the market? Let's break it down. 1. Unmatched filtration system for a pure coffee experience. If you've ever had coffee with grounds floating in your cup, you know how frustrating that can be. The Utopia Kitchen French Press eliminates this problem with its 4-filter sieve system. The piston plate is strong, compact, and designed to keep the coffee grounds in the pot and out of your cup. Thanks to this fine filtration system, you can enjoy a rich, earthy taste without the unpleasant grit. Whether you're making coffee, tea, or hot chocolate, 80 mesh filter guarantees a smooth and creamy texture, leaving you with nothing but pure flavor. With this level of filtration, you won't have to worry about those dreaded coffee grounds sneaking into your last sip. 2. Borosilicate glass. Durability meets elegance. One of the standout features of this French press is the use of heat-resistant borosilicate glass, which makes it not only functional but also highly durable. The glass can withstand extreme temperature changes, so you don't have to worry about the beaker cracking when adding boiling water. The sturdy design and high-quality materials ensure that the French press remains intact, even after years of use. This glass is also resistant to external odors or chemicals, ensuring that your coffee or tea always tastes fresh and clean. Additionally, the sleek black metal frame surrounding the glass adds an extra layer of durability, preventing any accidents that might occur in the kitchen. The frame is designed with feet that keep the press stable and wobble-free on your countertop or table. 3. Versatile and easy to use. While the Utopia Kitchen French Press is perfect for brewing coffee, its versatility makes it an essential kitchen tool. It works equally well for making tea, cold brew, hot chocolate, or even frothing milk for your favorite latte. The compact design and ergonomic handle make it easy to transport. Whether you're taking it to work, on a camping trip, or serving at a party, brewing a cup of coffee with this French press is as simple as it gets. Just follow these easy steps. Add coarse ground coffee to the beaker. Pour in hot water and stir. Place the lid with the plunger attached and let it sit for 4 minutes. Press the plunger down slowly to filter the coffee, and pour. 4. Ideal for travel and gifting. Coffee on the go has never been easier. Whether you're traveling or heading to the office, the Utopia Kitchen French Press is a perfect companion. It's compact and designed to withstand a bit of rough handling, making it perfect for camping trips or as a gift for coffee lovers who enjoy the convenience of a portable brewing method. The sleek design and practicality also make this French press an excellent gift. Whether it's a birthday, a wedding, or a housewarming party, this product is bound to impress. 5. Easy to clean. Cleaning is often a deal breaker for coffee makers, but not with the Utopia Kitchen French Press. Glass beaker, plunger, and filter are all dishwasher safe, making it incredibly convenient to clean up after use. If you prefer to hand wash, a mild detergent and a quick scrub will have it spotless in no time. It's recommended to hand wash the lid to maintain its smooth finish and avoid scratches. Final verdict: the Utopia Kitchen 34-ounce French press coffee maker offers a combination of durability, ease of use, and versatility, making it a must-have for anyone who enjoys freshly brewed coffee at home. With its sleek design, exceptional filtration system, and heat-resistant borosilicate glass, this French press is both functional and elegant. Whether you're brewing coffee, tea, or another beverage, it provides a rich, flavorful experience every time. This French press is ideal for daily use, and with its compact design, it's also perfect for travel. It's a great gift option for coffee lovers and anyone who enjoys brewing high-quality beverages at home. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality French press that will elevate your coffee experience, Utopia Kitchen French Press is an excellent choice. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.